Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude. I'm out in some field by my house and I'm doing some Lego photography for Instagram. Now that I'm in Alberta, I'm gonna try some fossil hunting type photography. So you probably saw in the thumbnail, it looked something like this. When doing photography with Lego, you have to get really low to the ground to capture the moment well. And it took me a few tries to get this photo perfect, but you can see there's a lot of layering going on with the bushes somewhat in the middle, and then the farthest away we've got the tractor and the skull. So this is basically just me and my friend here, and I have some custom little pieces to really bring this scene to life. This is a custom, Starbucks cup that I got at a Lego show. I'm sure you can order those online, but they're pretty cute. Now, since this is like a dig site or whatever, we've got little buckets, barrels, and crates for carrying fossils. I included the Lego bushes instead of real bushes to really capture like the environment, how it's deserty. I mean, these plants work well and all, but I kind of want to immerse it more into the Lego type universe than adding those real plants in. I also propped this bone up so you can see it better in the photo, so it's not just flat to the ground. Again, with the depth, you can see how much I varied everything, with the characters being up front, and then further away we've got larger items like the Rex skull and the tractor. So I got the Rex skull from the dinosaur skeleton set. I don't know if that's what it's called, but it was released a while ago. I'm sure a few of you guys watching know what I mean. This is a new set. I found out about it in a Lego magazine that I picked up at Walmart, and I thought it was pretty cute because I live in Alberta. Now there's lots of tractors and farm stuff. I decided to pick that one up, and we've got these little crates there. This one comes with the farm tractor set, and then this crate came with the dinosaur skull set, or skeleton set, not just the skull in the set. I also took this fold-out table and chair from I think it was a large or medium-sized camper, and I just kind of used it for that. I don't know if the chair actually got in the photo or not. It probably didn't. But yeah, so that's kind of how I made this little photo. Maybe it helped some of you guys with photography, knowing the layout and whatnot. But yeah, get low to the ground and make sure your objects, whatever you're using in the photo, in the scene, are kind of spread out depth-wise, so you can get it all in to a small photo, which is really cool. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm probably going to do more videos like this where I show some photos that I take off Instagram, kind of like behind-the-scenes type videos, and hopefully those are enjoyed and appreciated. So yeah, thanks for watching again, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.